Hi, I'm Anna. I work in the creator space, and I had Rouzati Rugs do my stair runner at my last home, and I loved how it turned out. Featured it on my blog, and I get questions about it all the time. It's definitely one of my most frequently asked questions. So I recently moved. I'm still within the same neighborhood, but I needed new area rugs, especially for my main living space. And I went into Rouzati and they pulled so many rugs for me. I mean, they have the biggest assortment imaginable. And I gave them my color schemes and kind of what material I was looking for, design.
When you have kids, pets, stuff like that, you don't have to
Durable.
worry about, cleaning them as much. And if you do, it's easier to clean. This one, the really interesting about these transitional ones is that you see it has a border, but it's small.
Yeah.
It's not as
Yeah, I feel like these probably appeal to more people.
Yeah. Of all of the fruits, you'll see pomegranates mainly in rugs. Now this is an antique design. The design is called a Khotan design, but the types of colors that they incorporate are more fresh and up to date. So do you have that the vintage one?
Yes. That like pinkish one?
Yes.
Is this it?
Yeah,
I think so.
Yeah.
This is it.
Yeah.
Then they actually brought them over to the space where I could test out and see how it looked. And that was huge. That was probably the most helpful part because the rug is a pretty big investment. You're going to look at it every day, and they truly tie the room together. So being able to have Rouzati and their team.
Let me show you, like for example, on this end, it's a few shades lighter. And then if you follow me to this other end here, you'll see that the rug becomes a few shades darker from this end. It's like more deep. Right, there we go. See that?
Oh yeah. Crazy. Optical illusion. That is nice. Like it's color, but it's not too much color.
You knew right away. I mean, you saw it on top of the pile, and
I know. I was
like,
like,
oh,
what
is this? Side coming in.
Okay.
I'd like to get your impression of it from that point.
Oh wow.
See the difference? Yeah.
So, I picked a rug. I love it. I'm so excited. I love Rouzati Rugs. So they do stair runners and area rugs, and I couldn't be happier with their customer service.